Joby's not on. Reaper is... They're on. What are they doing today? Pine. Who's that? That's Brinewind Studios. Bob Rust Model Club. They're on. Oh, that person doesn't even exist anymore unless you got the name wrong. I'm just copy pasting. Rachel's not on. Amy's not on. Macca's not on. Lolali's not on. Otterly. Not on. I'm going through the list of all the people. Ceza, not on. So we got... Yeah. Hello there, Paul Pape. Did I get here just to raid out? You did, Blacksmith. You did indeed. It's terrific Asherific's birthday, but they are gaming. All right, let's do this one. All right, there we go. Oh, wait. Okay, we got a new person. Okay, we got a new person. Hold on. Unrated. Claire Cafe. I don't know that person, so I'm okay with going to somebody new. Unless you've got a time machine, that content is unavailable. Do you have a better name? Because that is not, that's not coming up with anybody. Ah, see? There we go. Oh, meal prep. If y'all want to watch meal prep. From Belgium. I mean, if you want to, I don't care. I gotta go run errands anyways, so yeah, I mean that's fine. I don't care. I'm just trying to be nice. Move it on. We'll have other people do it in the future. I don't care. All right. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody for joining me today. I do truly appreciate it. I really do. I do truly appreciate it. This day went fast, which I love. Fast days are good days. And we were also very productive. We did make 2 whole boxes. That does not sound like a lot of work, but we got a lot of stuff done. I will be back tomorrow. We'll probably be laminating the hell out of Christmas boxes. That's I got to get it done. It's got to ship. So we're going to do that and just get these things ready to go. Test failed. Thanks for the fun. You're very welcome. All right. Yeah, so we're going to go visit Claire, who is meal prepping. I don't know, making bolognese with potato and greens. So yeah, there you go. All right, so have a good one, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll do more stuff. Thanks again. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's do it. Let's raid. Oh, wait, I need to get that raid. Where's my raid? One of these days, I'll put this in a button. I'll copy it. There you go. See you guys next time. Bye now.